I think I'm gonna start a new series, guys. Greater Makota. Greater Makota. Okay guys, so as previously mentioned, we are doing a new challenge, quota tasting, quota review. Skala in my hometown of Barberton, South Africa, and as you can see, this is the quota, this is what we're working with. Let's find a place and let's test this out. Let's have a bite. Okay. First off, wrapping, okay, is the typical, so give it a 5. Yeah, not too bad, not too good. It's just a normal wrap, guys. And then you can see over here, it's like toastanyana. Okay. Now let's take a bite and see how does it actually taste. I think first thing I'll say, this challenge we're going based on 20 rand quota. So 20 rand, 20 rand, so that it's fair, it's 20 rands. Everywhere is 20 rands. But this one, first impressions, Russian is nice, but for me it's a little dry underneath the chips. But yeah, let me eat the rest of this and then I'll give the full review after. Hey guys, after all, I'm a full reviewer, so I think I've eaten enough of this quarter to give my final judgment. Castellos quarter, I say Barberton, from Barberton, South Africa. I give it 7 out of 10, guys. Yeah, don't come for me. There is Ninia 7 out of 10. Okay, for a quarter at 20 rand, it has a lot more things than you'd normally expect. But for me, it's normal. It's just a normal quarter. But there's nothing special for me to upgrade it. And a 7, I think I'm being a bit generous. So yeah, I can't wait to try other quarters from other places and then so I can rank them. From Josie to Limpopo, guys, we're going everywhere this year. Yeah, this is a new segment, but it's coming in hot. So yeah, follow me for more.